Hello everyone, and today I have my new whistle, and that's an electronic sports whistle. And it is for hanging the whistle, and this is the electronic whistle. Yes, it has 3 types of sound, and first button is for the off, second for first sound, third and fourth, and sound comes from here, the back look, and we can insert the cell here, this region. So we'll listen the first sound, and it's on the first sound is like, second is like beep, and the third one is like this, and off it will not come. The sports whistle. Thank you, and please subscribe.